Naveen Kumar, can you give chance to fan of Mercedes-Benz to visit your manufacturing to get feel of how these amazing cars are made? Of course, Naveen, we do that. We have a lot of factory visits. We are in Chakan, one of the best plants globally, being rated after our German plants. But however, we don't manufacture cars here. We do assemble cars. We assemble our C classes. We assemble our E classes. We assemble our S classes. And very soon we will be assembling many more cars starting us. We have our own paint booth where we paint our cars. It's a very exciting facility, and we have a real feel of Mercedes-Benz backend. You actually showcase our kitchen, that our kitchen is as much quality as much as it is for anything in the retail outlets. It's not only that luxury we speak in the retail outlets. It's not only luxury we speak in the newspapers, in the media, and the events. We speak of real luxury when it comes to our production facilities. Our employees who make the cars are with us for the last 15 years. They are making the cars. Last 15 years they have been trained in Mercedes-Benz, Daimler factories in Germany, and Precision fix it all. And that's our trump card, that's our quality, and that's what we stand for. Every car goes through the most diligent tests possible. We do welcome you. Please do write to our website for a factory visit, and we might, of course, try to write back and see whether we can organize it for you. I think the time is running short. We have only a few more seconds to go. We could not address all the 500 questions, of course, for sure, and we have to do it for the next day, and many of my old colleagues and new colleagues will join. Many of the customers have also come up with specific issues which are pertaining to their cars. I have questions from Mr. Gurdeep, from Mr. Anandbir Singh Tyagi, from Mr. Nitin Agarwal, from Mr. Prabhakar, Mr. Jagat Kilawala, Mr. Prashant Gopikrishnan, Mr. N.K. Kothari, Mr. Pradeep Ahuja, Mr. Kunal, Mr. Shrikant Shitole, Dr. Kalyan Raman, Mr. Sanjeev Bhatnagar, Mr. Indrajit Singh, Mr. Anirudh, Mr. Deepak Malhotra, Mr. Neil Kothari, Mr. Ramakrishnan, Mr. Ayat Ajab, Rashid, Mr. Noman, Mr. Naresh. Sir, we have a lot of questions pertaining to specifics. But specifics, unfortunately, I cannot take in the limited time. But what I am doing it, we are taking by this question specifically, and we are giving it to our team to specifically prepare to replies. Whatever we couldn't cover in the 1 hour, maybe we cover in the next session, or we reply you directly back to you through email. Well, this comes to the end of our program for the day. But Mercedes-Benz first initiative, I really don't know how it went. How do you like our responses? Was it good or bad? You are the judge. You are the guys who should push us for the next level, where we can improve ourselves and go to the next front and bring smile to your face. Please don't forget to give your feedbacks on MP Connect Live. Please don't forget to give your feedbacks to our website, and bring your friends to our Facebook. Be a Mercedes-Benz fan and keep pushing us. We are there for you. We are absolutely standing rock solid to take the brand forward as much as you are. Thank you.